In this video, I'll demonstrate setting up an event for day tours. You want to log into the website. At the top, you'll have a black banner. Hover on Oregon Nordic Club and click on Dashboard. This brings you into the admin area. And when you hover on Events, a submenu pops up and click on Events there. Okay, at the top you might see some messages. You can generally ignore them. This is a list of all the trips that are currently posted on the website. Click on Drafts. Here we have a day event template, and when you hover on that, a little submenu pops up and hit on Duplicate Event. This has some defaults set up that'll make things a little easier. I want to change the event title, and we'll say we're doing a summer ski swap, and add text about the event. You can type it in or paste it. And you have some editing tools. I'll highlight this and bold it, and I'll highlight the word here and click the link. And for simplicity, I'll just use the website URL. Click apply, and you see here we have a little hot link. Over on the right, when is this event going to be? Not in January, it's going to be in summer, so we'll go to August 15th, say, and I'll change the time to 9:30. Then if you want to put in a location, which I tend not to use, I just leave it at no location, you can put a physical location in. Some of these are saved up, and when you start typing, it'll come up with some suggestions. We'll make it at Oaks Park. It comes up with this little Google map and this little message that you can just click OK. You can add new locations or modify existing ones. I won't go into that here. And then the event tags. It defaults to day tour ski event. And even though this is a ski swap or a hike or a bike ride, you want to leave this because it'll appear on the day tours page when you have this tag. And then you can select some categories, say this is a fundraiser and a meeting. And at this point, I like to save my work. You can either publish or save draft. There's a lot of other options in these menus. Generally, you want to leave them be unless you need to do something there. The booking registration is enabled. We'll click on the ticket, and I'll change the title. You don't need to. You can leave it. Ski swap price you want to leave alone, otherwise it'll route people to PayPal. We'll say there's 100 spaces available, and available from today. You can put it into the future. It's available for everyone, so non-members can sign up. And I'll close the ticket editor. The maximum number of spaces per booking, I'll set that to 4. And the booking cutoff date, this is important to change. So let's do it the day before at, say, 6 p.m. The booking form defaults to day event. There are other booking forms, but this is the simplest and generally what you want to use. The author. This defaults to whoever is signed in, and a copy of any registration will be sent to the author. So unless you want these in your inbox, you should change this. And I suggest ONC PDX website, because a copy always goes there regardless. And then we have custom automated emails. So generally in this box for the event owner, we'll send it to the leader, and I'll just put my regular email in here. You can change the title here, so it's a little more specific. The code here generally you want to leave alone unless you need to change that stuff. And at this point, I think we have everything. The title, the text, when it is, the event tags, the location, the registration, the cutoff date, the emails. So let's publish. And once it's saved, you can click on the URL here. And here's our event as it appears on the website. We got the date, time, location, the categories, the text, the little map. You can see I can only select 4. This is where they put in their information, the acknowledgement to the waiver, and then they sign up. So let's go over and look at day tours. And you see we have a bunch of Wednesday days tours and John Craig, and then out here in August is the summer ski swap. There you go.